Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade honeycomb. I've had a few requests for it and it's actually really simple to make. So let's get started.
So you're going to be using baking soda in this video, not baking powder. Don't get them mixed up or else it won't work. But you have to check if it's active, so what you can do is adding a little bit of baking soda and vinegar to check if it's active. If it foams up straight away like mine, you're good to go. If that doesn't happen, then the recipe won't work. So as you can see, I have my lined mold. You can use anything, but I'm just using a silicone mold. I got my pan on the lowest heat there is. Yeah, it has to be really low or else it's not going to work, it's going to burn. So add in your sugar. If you don't have a pan this small, it's okay. It's just, I thought this was really cute, so I used it. And just use a spatula to mix it until it's melted. Don't add in any water, it will melt on its own. Don't add in water at all or else it won't work. As you can see, it's starting to clump up and melt gradually. This took like 9 minutes, I think. So once it's gone like a caramel color, turn off the flame and add in your baking soda. Using a spatula, mix it really well so that it activates and goes kind of a lighter color, and it will double in size. Make sure that it's fully mixed. And once you're done, pour it into your molds that you've prepared before. You can obviously use like a lined baking tin or anything, but I'm just using a lined silicone mold.
So that's it. It wasn't that hard to make, but I do recommend having adult supervision and make sure that you don't have any distractions while cooking. Next week, I'm going to be showing you a few recipes that you can make using this honeycomb. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. And yeah, like if you enjoyed this video, and see you next week.